Watch out, here comes Wildflower, the revised version, here on Monster Truck Classics. We are going to unbox from the Spin Master Monster Jam series. She is in the Danger Divas. And the trucks on the back, we have Gravedigger, Time Flies, Bad News Travels Fast. Also, there's Zombie, Pirate's Curse, Iron Outlaw, Ice Cream Man, and the Trainer Truck Earth Shaker. So let's go ahead and unbox the revised version of Wildflower. And the figure is, of course, a lady. So let's bring in the new Wildflower, the revised version. And it still has, well, it kind of has lighter pink tires, not tires, wheels. Sorry about that, but so a lighter color for the wheels, and also it has now the silver looking for the motor in this version, and also kind of the axle area. And that is like a whole piece, I believe, and kind of like where the sponsors would be, and the driver also is all silver instead of a pink look like in this one, the unrevised version. So this one looks a whole lot better, and one of the reasons why is in the front now. On the front of the grill, they have now printed correctly the picture of a rose or flower on there, where the unrevised version just had a grill. So you can see the difference. And also the chassis, now I'm looking at the chassis, you can see that it is a darker chassis, and also the chassis goes along with the motor on the side. Also, the shocks going up is very a darker color that they did with that. So they changed that up also. It seems to me that the lines on the truck right here, going up and down, if you see those lines, that on the revised version is a little bit darker. It might be hard to see, but it looks that way to me. So hopefully you can see the driver in there. Maybe not, but he is a different, she is a different color. Yeah, that about wraps up this unboxing of Wildflower. Very nicely revised version of Wildflower. So thank you for tuning in to this unboxing. Hopefully you enjoyed it.